Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about flaxseed, a superfood that has been around for thousands of years. Flaxseed is a tiny seed that comes in two varieties, brown and golden. Both are equally nutritious and have a mild, nutty flavor. Flaxseed is a versatile ingredient that can be added to many dishes, such as smoothies, oatmeal, salads, soups, and more. But why should you eat flaxseed? What are the health benefits of this ancient crop? In this video, I will share with you some of the amazing advantages of flaxseed and how you can incorporate it into your diet. Flaxseed is loaded with nutrients that your body needs for optimal health. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed contains 37 calories, 2 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 1.3 grams of protein. It also provides 10% of the daily value of thiamine, 9% of copper, 8% of manganese, 7% of magnesium, and smaller amounts of other vitamins and minerals. Thiamine is a B vitamin that helps your body convert food into energy and supports your nervous system. Copper is a mineral that helps your body make red blood cells, maintain your immune system, and protect your brain. Manganese is another mineral that helps your body metabolize carbs, fats, and proteins, and supports your bone health. Magnesium is a mineral that helps regulate your muscle and nerve function, blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Flaxseed is also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your heart health. Flaxseed is an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that your body cannot make, so you have to get it from your diet. ALA may help lower your blood pressure, cholesterol, and inflammation. It may also reduce your risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed provides 2 grams of ALA, which is more than the recommended daily intake for adults. Another benefit of flaxseed is that it is rich in lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and phytoestrogen properties. Antioxidants help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause aging and disease. Phytoestrogens are substances that mimic the effects of estrogen, a hormone that regulates your reproductive system and other bodily functions. Flaxseed contains up to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods. Lignans may have various health benefits, such as protecting against certain types of cancer, especially breast and prostate cancer, by modulating your hormone levels and inhibiting tumor growth. Lignans may also help relieve menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes, by balancing your estrogen levels. Flaxseed is also a good source of fiber, which is a type of carbohydrate that your body cannot digest. Fiber helps you feel full, control your appetite, and prevent overeating. It also helps your digestive system function properly by adding bulk to your stool and preventing constipation. Fiber may also lower your blood sugar and cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of diabetes and heart disease. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed provides 2 grams of fiber, which is 8% of the DV for adults. Flaxseed contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which have different benefits. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance that slows down your digestion and absorption of nutrients. This helps regulate your blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and passes through your digestive tract unchanged. This helps move your stool along and prevent constipation. Flaxseed may also help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism, reducing your appetite, and increasing your satiety. Flaxseed may also help you burn more calories and fat by stimulating a hormone called thermogenin, which increases your body temperature and energy expenditure. Flax also helps you prevent weight gain by modulating your insulin sensitivity and preventing fat storage. One study found that adding 30 grams of flaxseed to your diet for 12 weeks resulted in a significant reduction in body weight, body mass index, and waist circumference compared to a control group. Flaxseed also supports your brain health by providing essential nutrients and antioxidants for your brain. It may also help prevent or delay the onset of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, by protecting your brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Flaxseed can help promote your brain development, especially in infants and children, by supplying ALA, which is a precursor of docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that is crucial for your brain structure and function. Flaxseed can also improve your skin health by providing essential fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish your skin cells and protect them from damage. Flax seeds can help prevent or treat skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and dermatitis by reducing inflammation, regulating your hormone levels, and balancing your oil production. Flax seeds enhance your immune system by providing nutrients and antioxidants that support your white blood cells and other immune cells. They may also help modulate your immune response and prevent excessive inflammation by influencing your cytokine production and activity. Cytokines are molecules that communicate between your immune cells and regulate your inflammation levels. Flaxseed is easy to incorporate into your diet as it is widely available and affordable and can be found in most grocery stores and health food stores. You can buy flaxseed whole or ground, or as oil, capsules, or flour. However, most experts recommend ground flaxseed over whole flaxseed because the ground form is easier to digest and absorb. Whole flaxseed may pass through your intestine undigested, which means you won't get all the benefits. You can also grind your own flaxseed at home using a coffee grinder or a food processor. To enjoy these benefits, you can easily add flaxseed to your diet by sprinkling it on your food, blending it in your smoothies, baking it in your bread, or taking it as a supplement. However, you should start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake, as flaxseed may cause some side effects, such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, or allergic reactions, if consumed in excess. You should also consult your doctor before taking flaxseed, especially if you have any medical conditions or are taking any medications, as flaxseed may interact with some drugs or hormones. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new and useful about flaxseed today. If you have any questions, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day and see you next time.